Whoa, motherfuckers!
Bing. Marcel. Uncle Tita. With your squirrels.
Where is he? He's being held captive by a Nicaragua and Guatemala. A very dangerous man. Where?
He's like, Conga. Oh my. And Prince is going around giving blowjobs.
Ooh, a titty stood up for himself for once. Well, no. Like yogurt section. Oh yeah, I know. Kind of like a flat packet.
Oh no!
It came off totally. Oh my god. Well, I guess everyone gets them. That was so rude. Polly Prince. It's right here. It's right. Ow! Oh my god. Ty, want a treat ya? Ham? Big daddy. Ty, sit.
It was so smart
Shake
though.
up. Jump on the arm. Good boy.
Because by knocking it down, he got food for all his brothers.